The tail of the shoe has great uses that you never knew. Hello everyone, welcome to Great Tips. Did you know that the little tail at the bottom of the back of the sneaker is not a decoration but actually plays a very important role in life? It would be a pity if you still ignore its existence. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Nowadays, sports shoes are not only used for sports, but also used a lot when walking or traveling. Regardless of the brand, almost every pair of shoes has a small tail. So what does that design mean? Tip 1. This is one of its great uses. People who wear leather shoes will often buy a heel lift so that they do not have to press the heel of the shoe with their hands when wearing it. With sneakers, just pull this small tail to easily put your foot in and also help protect the heel of the shoe, because some shoes are quite difficult to wear, easy to step on the heel, causing dents and deformation. If you continue to step like that, the heel of the shoe will collapse and lose its shape, making the shoe no longer beautiful. But if you know how to use the shoe tail, everything will become much simpler. Tip 2. When wearing shoes every day, you definitely need to clean them regularly. So how to dry shoes after washing? Perhaps many people often put shoes in the corner of the room or balcony and prop the toes up a bit. Even if it is sunny all day, the inside of the shoes is still damp. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. If it is not sunny, water can still leak out. The simple way is to hook the two ends of the shoes on a hanger and hang them on a clothesline. This will help the moisture inside the shoes escape quickly, leaving no more water. If there is sunlight, the shoes will dry faster. The wind blowing from all sides helps the sunlight reach the entire surface. Tip 3. Have you ever encountered a situation where your shoe heel slipped off while walking or climbing? Especially for those who like outdoor sports or students who often exercise. Whether the shoe is sturdy or not is very important. To avoid slipping off the heel, you can loosen the two shoelaces, cross them over the small tail, and tie them around your ankle. This method helps to fix the shoe better and also avoids the heel from rubbing too much with the shoe. Tip 4. When going out, many people bring a few pairs of shoes for easy changing or washing. However, the soles of shoes are often quite dirty, so it is difficult to pack. Many people think that putting shoes in with clothes will easily dirty the clothes, and shoes also take up a lot of space in the backpack. At this time, you can thread the string through the two small tails and hang the shoes outside the backpack or carry them by hand. Either way, it's much more compact than putting your shoes in your bag. This way saves space and doesn't get your backpack dirty. When the weather gets cold, it's very convenient to easily carry shoes like this. Tip 5. Over time, sweat accumulates in shoes, making the space inside stuffy, easily breeding bacteria and mold. Every time you take off your shoes, you will smell an unpleasant odor. This is not only embarrassing, but also affects the health of your feet. Today, I will share 3 tips to quickly deodorize shoes no matter how smelly they are. Method 1. Place a paper towel on the table. Sprinkle a little baking soda on top. Then wrap it in tissue paper and put it in the shoe. Baking soda can deodorize because it is a dry powder that has good moisture absorption and cleaning properties. Baking soda can deodorize because it is a dry powder that has good moisture absorption and cleaning properties. The next day wearing shoes will feel much more comfortable. Method 2. Use a tissue. Put some dry tea leaves in. In addition to making tea to drink, tea leaves can also deodorize shoes. Wrap the tea leaves in tissue and put them in the shoes overnight. Tea leaves have the ability to absorb odors very well. Not only absorbing moisture and odors, but also leaving a pleasant scent. The scent of tea is faint. The next day, take them out to dry in the sun and can be used again at night. Method 3. Use a medical mask. Cut the mask open, you will see 3 small compartments. Put soap, baking soda, and tea leaves in each compartment. Remove the mask string and wrap it up. So you have a deodorant and moisture-absorbing package for shoes. Can be put in the shoes after a day of work. Sweat makes the shoes damp and stuffy. Many people are afraid to wear slippers when having guests because they are afraid of shoe odor. This method helps deodorize overnight and solves a lot of problems. In addition to dry tea and baking soda, soap has strong antibacterial properties and also emits a light fragrance, helping to cover up unpleasant odors. If you have any tips, please share them with me. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. And subscribe to the channel to support us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next Great Tips video.